Hello friends, today we will discuss a most important DAX function, that is combine values. You heard a DAX function concatenate in Excel as well as in Power BI. So what concatenate is used? Concatenate basically merge two columns string values in a single column. Okay, but there is some limitation in concatenate. It only combine two columns only, means two strings only. But if you have multiple columns, text values here, and you want to add that column string in a single column by the use of a single function, so combine values will help you in your query. So what combine values do, it combines the given set of values or words using a specified delimiter. Means you can add an any delimiter. Okay, you can say that it is an alternate of concatenate function. You can combine as many as columns by the use of single function in DAX. Okay, so without wasting the time, let's go to our data model and let's see how we can implement this. So let's see, we have a 2 and 3 column PM1, PM2 and group type. Okay, so these three columns is having strings like it's the name and it is the another name, and this is consumer. So we want to combine these three columns in a single column. So how can we achieve this? So let's quickly create a new column. Okay, so let's give the name is combined PM with group. Okay, so type combine values. Okay, you can see that combine values is on our list. Hit tab, and as you see that it wants us a delimiter. Delimiter means that what type of extra special feature you want to add between these columns words. Okay, so we will give a dash here. Okay, but make sure you have to type double inverted commas between these. Okay, and then comma expression one is your column 1 name. So I'm typing here PM1. Okay, and then expression 2 is PM2, and then sorry, it is not selected properly, PM2, and then third expression you can add as many as of column you want. Okay, so the third column we want to add group type. Okay, close the bracket. You can see that we have added three columns here. Okay, and we want to add a minus sign between all these three columns values. Okay, so let's see how it is going to work. Yay, it's going to work. So you can see that our PM1 is Ashish Bhardwaj. After Ashish Bhardwaj, it gives a minus sign because we already created a delimiter here. After that, Nikhil Bhagnal, then again it gives a delimiter. So you can see that it's a very simple DAX function which is used to add multiple columns in a single column. Okay, and if you want a space between these, so you can do also here. Hit enter. You can see that a space will created in after every text function, after every columns text here. I hope you like this text functions, and please comment the one who are here this text function in very first time. Okay, so Thank you very much. Thank you for view my video, and please like and subscribe my channel so that I can create some more useful videos of DAX functions and any other systems or applications you want. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for so much.